gonna do unboxing of the DJI Pocket 2 Creator Combo. So this one is the Creator Combo on Amazon, and I'm gonna leave the link description below if you want to buy yours. This one is comes with a do-it-all handle, so it's gonna make the handle longer. It's gonna have Wi-Fi connectivity, and also you're gonna have a ultra wide angle lens that you can attach to the main lens, so you can have wider field of view. Main lens, so you can have wider field of view. It also comes with like a wireless microphone, and you also have the tripod that comes with this. So this is the content of the box. So you have the DJI Pocket 2, the cover, the micro tripod, the mini control stick, tripod mount, USB splitter, ultra wide angle lens, the smartphone adapter USB-C and Lightning, do-it-all handle, wireless microphone, windscreen, wireless microphone transmitter. This is the wind strap. So let's open this. Here you go. So this is the unboxing of the DJI Pocket 2 Creator Combo. Yeah, open this. There you go. So that's oh, so this box is actually going from on the top, I think. So probably have to open this on top like this. Oh, not from the top, sorry. So it's somewhere. So you're gonna open from the side, actually. So this side right here, and that's right here, the App Store for downloading the app, and that's what it looks like inside right here. So we're gonna have all the accessories in this, and this is the DJI Pocket 2 right here, and I place it right here, and this is the manual. Oh, and then you have all the accessories inside: the do-it-all handle, the wireless transmitter, microphone transmitter, the tripod, and also the cap on the bottom for screwing the tripod on. So you're gonna have all this. Now let's take this out one by one. So we have the manual, we have the accessory, the strap, and so on. This is the do-it-all handle right here. As you can see, around the tripod, USB-C, the audio in right here. So that's what it looks like. And now in this, so this is the tripod, the micro tripod right here. So you can screw on the base on the DJI Pocket. This one is the wireless microphone transmitter, as USB-C, and here you can have aux mic right here. That's the mic. It's gonna take the sound, record the sound from here, and that's how it looks like. I'm gonna place next to each other so you guys can see all the accessories that we have in the box. And another one, this is the cap right here, and we have place like this. We have the DJI Pocket 2, which is the most important thing right here. Open this. Ta-da! Brand new. It has the foam to lock it in place, so it won't fall. It won't like wiggle. And this one you can attach all the controller right here. So you're gonna open this this way like this. It's kind of tight. First time you take it up, it's kind of tight. Okay, so this is the cover. That's what it looks like inside. You can place the ultra wide angle lens here, so it's not gonna fall. So we're gonna place the cover on top right here, and like that. And this is the DJI Pocket. So I'm gonna remove this to show you guys that it's working. Now press the side button to power on for 2 seconds. 1, 2. It's gonna open like this. Here you go. So that's how it looks like right here. Yeah, so this is the DJI Pocket. Press 2 seconds to turn it off like this. And right here, that's the 360 micro SD card right here, 360-degree view, USB-C right here. Yeah, that's the gimbal. Pretty nice. All right, so we're gonna place it here for now. And we're gonna remove all the accessories inside this box. Show you guys what's inside. Now, this is a microphone puff. So it's for the wing noise. This one is, so we're gonna take everything out first, and I'm gonna show you guys one by one what's inside this. It's gonna be easier. So we have another controller right here that sticks to the joystick. This is the ultra wide lens. Yeah, so you have everything here. So you have the strap, you have the USB-C cord right here. So it can split to 2 USB actually. So USB normal to USB-C. And you have the microphone traps right here. Just show you guys. And I open this up. So that's how it looks like right here. So it's gonna reduce the noise, the wind noise. Gonna attach to the wireless transmitter right here. Yeah, cap right here. So you put it on here like this. So it's gonna look like something like this. And you attach it to clip it to your, whatever, your shirt or your backpack. And I remove this as well. So we have the USB-C right here. So this is the controller right here that goes like this. Okay, so you can attach your phone to see it in bigger screen. So let's unpack more right here. Have more controllers. This is the joystick, up and down right here. Okay, so I place it here just to show you guys that it's here. Ultra wide angle lens. This is useful because if you wanna take more, have like more depth, more view, like more of the scene. So this is the ultra wide lens right here. That's how it looks like. These sides right here have magnets, so they can attach to your camera right here. They're gonna attach like this, and yeah, pretty much like that, and they're not gonna move. So this is ultra wide. You can attach it later. Yeah, like that. And so this is useful. Gonna leave it like that right here. And so right here, that's the last one. Another controller right here. And that, so this one's a lightning, so for plugging into your iPhone, iPad, and so on. And that's all we have. So this is the unboxing of the DJI Pocket 2 Creator Combo. And please like and subscribe to my channel for more unboxing and helpful videos. So this is everything. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe. The cover, this is the DJI Pocket 2, the do-it-all handle, the wireless microphone transmitter. This is the tripod. That's the putting tripod on, the puff on the wind noise, wind reducer, and all these controllers right here that fits on here, the strap, USB-C, and everything, the manual in there. And so thank you guys for watching. Bye.